Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the color mixer in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And after opening up the Lightroom app, it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on it, then after the picture loads, from the bottom bar we select color. Here in color, in the top right corner, there is mix. We tap on mix, and then we have a lot of options that we can select from. We can select each individual color that is represented in the image, and then edit each one's hue. To which color it approaches. So let's say in the orange color, we can move the hue to the left, and then the oranges are going to become a bit redder. Then the same thing applies to all of them. We can edit the saturation of the colors and edit the luminance of the colors. Saturation basically means how rich the color is, and then luminance means how dark the color is. Moving it to the left makes the colors darker, and moving it to the right makes the colors brighter. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.